Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to RoboThoughts Zero to Hero series. All right, we are in lesson number 12, Python coding for Jetson Nano on Jetson Nano. So I'm going to show you something called case sensitive in variable. Do you guys think variables are case sensitive? Well, let's take a look. Variable names are basically case sensitive. So let me show you how it works. So open up your terminal. I am into my terminal. I hope you are logged in through putty into your Jetson Nano. All right, so let's open up the previous file what we created. Nano. One second. All right, nano variable dot py. No shit. Nano variable dot py. Okay, let me delete this. Now let me show you an example. Say for example a small a. Let me share my screen again. Small a is equal to, say, any value 4. Okay, and then capital A is equal to, say, Spider-Man. All right, Spider-Man. Now, what do you guys think? Do you think the capital A is going to overwrite or the small a is going to overwrite? Either one, right? It should. I don't know. You guys. Let's see. Print a, small a, print a, and I'm going to print the capital A as well. Okay, so can you see this? So the small a and the capital A, I'm going to print both of them, though there are two different values being assigned. So let's see, one is a string, the capital A is a string, and the small a is a value, it's an integer. So let's see what happens now. Control O, control enter, control X. Okay, now let me execute that Python file, python3 space variable.py. Boom, can you see that, guys? So both capital A and the small a, it can execute with two different outputs. So regardless, variable names are case sensitive. All right, okay guys, that's it for this lesson. I hope you are enjoying small and bits and pieces. You might be wondering why is all of my videos are just about 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes max, right? Basically, my intention is to start anyone to everyone who does not have any knowledge about coding or robotics or artificial intelligence, but they want to get into that area. That's where this particular tutorial is going to really help, because everything is from scratch, from ground zero level. I hope you enjoy, guys. So there's going to be lot many videos coming up soon. Keep an eye. See you. Bye bye.